Let's make a sports poster design in 2 minutes. Start with our background, fill it with red and a soft gradient in the corner. Now let's bring in some background images and textures. We've got these jets, and we've got a big Michael Kiyoi cutout. We'll position on the left here. Set that blend mode to luminosity. The jets will fade a little bit. And then with both of them, let's group them into a folder, set it to soft light, and then mask out just the bottom part there. Now we'll bring in our smaller Michael Kiyoi cutout, and let's give him some shadows on his feet. Just a soft black brush that we're sizing down and adjusting to fit each foot. Not the best, but that's fine. Now let's add some text. Kiyoi. Got this nice big skinny font, Dharma Gothic. And I'm going to type out his first name and put it up the side of his last name. It's kind of an interesting text effect. And now with the cutout, let's blend him in a little bit more with a gradient map. Let's just go black to white, and we'll put a red color in the middle. And we'll set that blend mode to 40. Now let's add the Aviators logo at the top here. And now we'll add some textures over everything. We've got some chalk. It kind of looks like paint, but I have it labeled as chalk. And we've got some bokeh lighting, and we'll go to soft light on that one. And then we'll add a layer of noise using 50% gray. And now let's add a curves layer to finish everything off and give it this nice matte effect. And there's your sports poster design in 2 minutes.